champions. I wanted to show you a few cute little things that I had here. This is a typical animal cell model. It's missing a few pieces, but you can probably pick out a few things like the endoplasmic reticulum and the Golgi bodies, maybe some of the mitochondria, and where the nucleus should be at. This right here is a typical animal or plant cell model also. Again, still missing a few things. That big yellow spot you see is supposed to be its vacuole, because remember that plant cells have a larger vacuole than animal cells. Also has a cell wall and chloroplast that animal cells don't have. Now, I noticed in some of the responses that you guys put, some of you said, well, you can tell the difference between the types of cells because of their shape. Shape really doesn't have anything to do with the type of cell that you have. There are some plant cells that are actually circular, and so therefore that shape isn't really going to help you determine what type of cell it is. What you would look for, though, is maybe those larger vacuoles, maybe a chloroplast, or that cell wall would help you know that it's a plant cell compared to an animal cell. I also wanted to show you these here. These are mounts of comparative brains and comparative hearts of different organisms. The one on the far left, number 1, is a fish brain, what it would look like from a carp. 2 is an amphibian or frog brain. 3 is a snake reptile brain. 4 is a bird pigeon brain. And 5 is a rabbit mammal brain. So kind of comparing what these different brain systems look like, nervous systems, for various different types of animals. We have fish, amphibian, reptile, bird, and mammal. So you can see the similarities and the differences there between the brain, the nervous systems of these different animals. This here is comparative hearts of different animals. And number 1, again, we have fish, carp. 2, amphibian, frog. 3 is reptile, snake. 4 is the bird, the pigeon. And 5 is the mammalian one, the rabbit. So you can kind of see how they're similar and different for the hearts, part of the circulatory system of these different animals. Again, we have fish, amphibian, reptile, bird, and mammal. So kind of cool if you're interested in this type of biology. Hearts and brains of different animals. So a few little cool things that we have at school, little models that you were going to get to see, but we're not at school right now. So I hope you're having a great day, and I hope this was kind of cool for you to see. Thanks.